It's December 2024 and it's time to get a head start on our New Year's resolutions by making some fat wads of cash with the best bank account bonuses of the month. Hello there, beautiful people. Just a quick housekeeping note here. I am now making this $2,000 in 2 months, 2 separate videos, one for these bank account bonuses and another one coming out in about a week for credit card bonuses. I wanted to split these up so that I could cover more offers every single month so that you would have more options to fit your specific situation a little bit better. That housekeeping note out of the way. If you're tuning back in, go ahead and check the time codes below to get right to the offers. But if you're new here, here's a quick rundown of what we're doing. Banks make a lot of money off of you every single year in the background and you don't even know it. And I'm not even talking about the fees. Whenever you have money deposited, they're loaning it out to other people and earning interest, and they can make projected investments based on your direct deposit that comes in every single month. So each month I come out with this video with some of the best bank account bonuses so that you can make a lot more money on your paycheck or direct deposit and your savings and use the bank's greed against each other to put some money back in your pocket. So in this video, we're going to be going over 2 types of bonuses. The first one are direct deposit bonuses, which to put simply is whenever you sign up for a new checking account, there are a lot of banks who will give you a bonus for moving that paycheck there for a given period of time. The second bonus are savings bonuses. So what money you have in your account that you're saving either for a down payment, emergency fund, or some other form of thing you're saving up for, banks will give you a bonus on top of the annual percentage rate that they're going to provide for having that account. So with all that out of the way, let's get stacking and start with our paychecks this month. All right, and the first account this month is the Capital One 360 checking account. We're talking about it this month because there is an elevated offer for $300. To be eligible for this offer, open up a new Capital One 360 checking account and use the promo code in the description or on screen here and set up at least 2 direct deposits within the first 75 days of opening the account of $500 or more. One thing about this account is if you currently have a Capital One checking account, you aren't eligible, or if you've had an account with them on or after January 31st, 2023, you're unfortunately not eligible for this bonus. This is actually a really nice checking account if you don't have one you like already, because there are no monthly fees or minimums. So there's no maintenance fee for having not enough money in the account. They have that fancy feature where you can get paid up to 2 days early with your direct deposit, and there are no overdraft fees up to approved limits. So just for moving your paycheck here for just a month or so, if you get 2 pay periods, you'll be getting an extra $300 with this checking account. It was most recently, before this one, $250. So in my opinion, it's worth going for it now. What I did when I got this bonus a little while ago is I closed the account because I'm pretty sure after a year or 2, Capital One will consider me a new customer and I want to get this bonus again in the future. All right, and the next bank account we're going to be covering this month is the Chime Checking account, and this one's even easier than the last one. But being easier, the bonus is not quite as lucrative. By using the link in the description, which is my referral link, you'll also make me a little bit of money. Just a disclaimer, you will get $100 after you direct deposit $200 or more after opening the account. And that's within 45 days of opening the account. You also need to activate the debit card that they will send you in the mail within 14 days, within 14 days of receiving the qualifying deposit. Just like the previous bonus, there are no monthly maintenance fees, so this is a really easy one to set and forget and not have to worry about. And if you do have friends and family who want to get in the game, they have a nice referral program, which I'm also using in this video. And they also have fee-free overdraft protection on up to $200 with SpotMe, and that same perk of getting paid up to 2 days early with your direct deposit. For eligibility on this, unfortunately, Chime kind of has a lifetime language on this one. So that means you basically open this account and you're probably in their system and won't be able to get this bonus again, even if you close it. I like having it open so that I can share my referral link to friends and family whenever they're interested to get them an extra $100 and also give myself an extra $100. All right, we'll get into our last paycheck bonus of the month. It'll give you the biggest bonus, but it does require a bit more spend. And this is for the US Bank Smartly checking account. So with this bonus, you'll earn up to $450 for setting up your direct deposit with US Bank into this checking account when you open. As of right now, for the terms, you need to open this account before December 30th, 2024, and you need to complete at least 2 direct deposits within those first 90 days. If your direct deposit is between $2,000 and $4,999.99, the bonus is $250. If your direct deposits total $5,000 to $7,999.99, the bonus is $350. And if your direct deposits total $8,000 or more, the bonus is for $450. So at least for me, whenever I'm able to get this bonus again, it's probably going to take me a couple months worth of paychecks to get it. So you'll be locked up here for a little bit. As far as eligibility for this, if you live in the United States, you should qualify to be able to just sign up for it online. Unfortunately, if you have gotten this bonus within the last 12 months or have had a checking account with them within the last 12 months, you won't be eligible. So if you have it, and you want to get into this game of bank churning, I'd recommend closing it and getting in line as soon as possible, because this is a great one to do every 1 to 2 years. Some additional benefits of this account to note is there are no overdraft fees for balances under $50. And there's an important notice here for fees that you want to avoid. So there is a monthly $6.95 maintenance fee, but this is avoidable if you keep an average balance in that checking account of $1,500 or more, or you have a combined monthly direct deposit of $1,000 or more. This one is probably going to be the easiest one because if you're like me, you're going to need it pretty much every month anyway, that the account is open just to get that bonus within the first 90 days. But the last one is if you hold a US Bank consumer credit card, which is actually pretty easy. I personally have a few credit cards from this bank and would therefore avoid this monthly fee. All right, with our paycheck out of the way, let's get into some savings bonuses for the month. If you haven't done so already and you find this content valuable, please hit the subscribe button. I post these videos for free every single month, along with some other financial topics on how to reach financial independence through the best bank account and credit card bonuses. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you want. All right, I'm coming at you this month with 2 savings bonuses. The first one is with Barclays, and this is simply called their online savings account. They are offering a $200 savings bonus, and the requirements for this is you need to deposit $25,000 within the first 30 days of opening the account, and you have to maintain that balance for 120 days. The reason why this bonus can be worth it for a lot of people is because their annual percentage rate is 4.5% for most balances. There are some higher tiers as well if you have really massive balances, but for the balance on this bonus, it's 4.5%, which is very competitive with other high yield savings accounts. And as far as the timeline for receiving that $200, the bonus posts 60 calendar days after meeting the requirements. So basically after your 120th day of having $25,000 or more in the account, you should receive that bonus in your account, but feel free to withdraw the funds if you need to after that 120th day if you're 100% sure on the timing of it. The terms do not state there are any monthly maintenance fees or that there are any early closure rules for having this account. All right, now we're getting into our last bonus of the month. It's another savings bonus, and this is for Live Oak Bank and their personal savings account. This one is an even easier bonus than the last one. It's for $300. To qualify, you need to open your account by January 13th, 2025. That's why it's perfect for this month in December. And you need to fund $20,000 in the account on that same date. So you don't have that big window like the last one, but it is a smaller amount that you have to put in there. And on this one, you only have to maintain that balance for 60 days after depositing it. The annual percentage rate on this online savings account is only 4.3%. So it's a bit less than some other ones on the market, but still really solid and definitely worth it for just 60 days of a lockup period for your 20 grand. As far as eligibility for this account, it is open to new and existing customers as long as you don't have a savings account with them currently. And all of the funds have to come from an institution outside of Live Oak Bank. So any other bank in the world, if you deposit funds from there into this account, you will qualify per their terms. This is a nationwide offer, so it is eligible to everyone in the United States. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're going for any of these bank bonuses this month or if you're going for any other ones that fit your situation better. Also, let me know what you think of this new format. I think it's a little bit easier to follow along and get you guys a couple more offers that might fit your situation better every month. And it also lets me put a few offers in, so whenever there's an elevated offer, I don't have to choose between 1 or 2 and we can get as many in that are a really good deal at a time. If you found this content useful and you want to take as much money as possible from the bank by helping your fellow Americans out there, hit that like button so this video can be spread far and wide throughout the YouTube algorithm. And as always, if you want to be reminded of how beautiful you are on each and every upload and learn how to make a new fat stack of cash, hit that subscribe button. I've been doing this every month for over a year now. For past offers, click on this video over here. And we talked a lot about paycheck bonuses in this month. In this video over here, I go over my ultimate paycheck churning guide where you can strategize your paycheck to make over $3,000 a year. So click on that one next if you're interested in that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in about a week with the best credit card bonuses.